Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money actually on Bybit without trading cryptocurrency. On these occasions, you don't need to crack your brain for anything. All you just need to do is to perform some simple activities and earn a lot of USDT for yourself for free. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. Okay, navigate yourself to this very place and click on more. So this way you're gonna go into navigate yourself to, you see this more, you're gonna go into click on this place to see more. If you click on that to see more, you're gonna go into navigate yourself to what we call a reward hub. I drop an update tip for yesterday and a lot of people dive in and they make a reasonable USDT from it as a profit, okay, as a reward, sorry. So all you just need to do is to dive into this reward hub. Let's see what's happening there. So the moment you get into this reward hub, you can see I have 6 reward here. Okay, and all I just need to do is to perform some simple activities in there and I will make my reward for free. So this is what you need to do. Click on the reward. This is reward. Okay, you can see in this place I have claimed this 3 USDT here, and I also claim this 3 USDT here, which makes it 6 USDT in total. So this 6 USDT in total, all I just need to do to claim this is to trade derivatives. I do believe that a lot of people know how to trade derivatives. So how do I claim this coin? I can only simply claim this 3 USDT plus 3 USDT, which is 6 that was actually given to me here. They're already currently in use, but I just need to claim them to by trading derivatives. Okay, so I'm going to click on use. Okay, if I click on use, it's going to navigate me straight to this very place. So what do I need to do here? All I just need to do here is to trade long or short here, depending on what my calculation is. So because of this, I'm going to trade long, okay, in order for me to claim my USDT. So let's quickly dive into that. I'm going to go into trade long, and do not forget, I've dropped a lot of videos that shows you how to set your take profit and also your ST, which is your SL, which is the stop loss. So on this now, I'm going to go into trade this, and I'm going to use this what is it called? I'm going to use this 10 leverage. You can see it here, and I'm going to use this as isolation. If it's not on isolated, your coin that's even in available balance will get lost as well. So I'm going to trade isolation. I'm going to use for isolation. So how much USDT am I going to use here? You can see I'm going to only use 10 USDT to trade this. All right, I'm going to use 10 USDT to trade this. Okay, I'm going to dive into this as long. Okay, as long. So I will click on here and I will take 10 leverages. Okay, I'm going to take 10 leverages here, and everything will be set up for me and good to go for me. So this is a particular quantity I'm going to buy. You can see it here, and it's going to cost me 11 USDT. With my 10 leverage, I'm going to trade with over 100 USDT. So let me quickly dive into that. You can see, so in this place total, you can see the total of everything that happens here. The next thing is just for you to click on confirm. If you click on confirm, your orders have been executed immediately. So you can see that I have actually joined this trade for profit, and actually I've also joined this trade to use my 3 USDT. So trading this now, I'll be getting this 3 USDT, this 6 USDT, sorry, in return. So as you can see, this is all you just need to simply do and make a rational profit for yourself. Okay, this is just what you just need to do. Perform these simple activities and you gain something for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Meanwhile, in my next class, I'm going to drop another video that shows you the total or the complete strategies I use in trading cryptocurrency, complete strategies that I use in making profit for myself. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.